Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce B2B Marketplace USPS shipping plugin. And in today's video tutorial, I'll be taking you through the workflow at the customers and how the customers would be able to access and make use of the USPS shipping services to get the products delivered at their doorsteps. Apart from that, I'll also be showing you the initial configuration required by the admin for the B2B Marketplace USPS shipping plugin in the admin backend panel and at the suppliers end under their own account panel as well. But before we proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So right now I'm at the B2B Marketplace storefront, as you can see, and I've just placed an order and I've chosen the shipping as the Priority Mail Express International that delivers the product within the 3 to 5 business days itself. So what I'll do is I'll be just placing an order first as a customer, and I'll show you how the customers can select the USPS shipping thereafter. So within the B2B marketplace, we'll just be adding the product to the cart, and I'll tap on the view cart. And within the cart you can now see that we have the Priority Mail Express and the rest of the shipping methods provided by the USPS itself. And from here the customers can choose their preferred shipping method, and I've chosen it as Priority Mail Express International. We can choose any one as per our requirement there. So I'll be choosing this one, that's for $45.95, and then I'll be tapping here on the proceed to checkout button. On the checkout page here you can see that under the your order I have one product in the cart. The subtotal is $18, and for the shipping I have selected the Priority Mail Express International legal flat rate envelope for $45.95. That brings in the product or delivers the product within the 3 to 5 business days itself. And the total here you can see is for $63.95 altogether. Now let's proceed further to place the order, and just tapped here on the place order button. So the order has been placed, as you can see, and if I scroll down, here's the order number 232. The total is $63.95. Order details can be viewed. The shipping has been selected for $45.95 via Priority Mail Express International legal flat rate envelope, 3 to 5 business days. And this is the billing and the shipping address of the customer itself. So that was the work for the customers end. And now let me take you to the admin backend panel and let me show you what different configuration settings are there for this particular plugin. And then we'll be checking up the supplier end as well, how the suppliers would be able to set up the B2B marketplace USPS shipping under their own account panel. Now you must be having the USPS shipping credentials there. I've attached the user guide within the description of this particular video. For more details you can check that out, and I'll just give you a gist of how to get the USPS credentials for both the admin and the suppliers. So let me take you to that particular section once. So within the user guide you'll find this particular section, how to create a USPS shipping account, as you can see. So you have to tap here on the USPS shipping account. That would take you to the United States Postal Service section. Here you need to enter the details for the registration there. After the registration you'll see a confirmation page, and within a few days you'll get an email with all the credentials to access the United States Postal Services server, as you can see here. And you'll be having your username, your password, and a link for your test instance as well. So that's how you can create a USPS account. You can check the user guide for more details there, and I'll attach this user guide link within the description of this particular video as well. Now let's log into the admin backend panel, and for that I'll be entering my username, password, and tapping on the login button. After login we have to navigate to WooCommerce and then settings. That will bring up the complete settings for the WooCommerce, and here we have to navigate to the tab, that's the shipping tab. So we have to tap on that, and that would bring up the shippings. So here on the right hand side of the shipping zones, you can find the B2B marketplace United States Postal Service shipping. Just tap on that, and that will bring up the configuration settings for the USPS shipping itself, as you can see. So here you can enable or disable the shipping by checking this option. So if you uncheck that, then the shipping method would be disabled. To enable it, you have to check this particular option here. Then you have to enter the USPS username and the password for your account that you have created on the USPS itself. So enter those credentials here. Then you have to select your USPS domestic services. So what you need to do for adding that, you just need to tap here, and from the list whatever you want to add, you can add those up within this particular section here for the USPS domestic services. For the USPS international services, same goes for that. You just need to tap here. The services that are not there, you just need to choose the services that you want to add. The ones that you have added would be in the gray color, that you want to add are in the white label there. Just tap on that, and that particular shipping service would be added for the United States Postal Service international services there. Then you can choose to have this particular shipping machinable or not. So for that, you can check this particular option. To make it machinable, you have to check this. To make it non-machinable, you have to uncheck this option. Lastly, you can choose the container size from the drop down here. You can choose between a regular one or a large one. After choosing the same, you have to tap on the save changes button, and you're done configuring the B2B marketplace USPS shipping from the admin's end. Now let's show you how the marketplace vendors would be able to vendors or the marketplace suppliers would be able to set up the marketplace B2B USPS shipping under their own account panel. So for that, I'll be logging out of the marketplace admin account here, and I'll be logging into the supplier account here. So let me enter the details here, and let me tap here on the login button thereafter. So I've logged into the supplier dashboard, as you can see, and here on the left hand side I have the B2B marketplace. To make the configuration settings for the USPS itself, I'll go to the configuration setting. Under the B2B marketplace, we have to go to configuration settings, and here under the shipping, I have to navigate to the B2B marketplace USPS shipping. So I'll just tap on that, and that will bring up the configuration settings for the B2B USPS or the United States Postal Service shipping configuration. Here the same goes for the suppliers as well. To enable this particular shipping for your customers, you need to check this option as enable. Otherwise, to disable, uncheck the option here. So you will check this option to enable this particular shipping functionality there. Then you can choose your USPS domestic services. Just tap here, select the ones that you want to add. The same goes for the select USPS international services. Tap here, select the ones that you want to add as the USPS international services. From the list, choose that up, make it as machinable or not depending upon your requirement there, and then tap on the save button to save the configuration settings. So yes, that was much about the B2B marketplace USPS shipping plugin for the WooCommerce there, and I hope it helped you out in understanding the flow of the same. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions or requirements, then kindly do reach back to us at support@webkul.com, or you can raise a ticket at webkul.ueds.com. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video, and have a great day.